This message has been transmitted by the Austin Police Department at March 3, 2024, at 7:19 p.m. 6 murders have been reported, and 13 people have been missing. This cause is unknown, but we are urgently solving this. It is recommended you lock all windows and doors. If you see anyone getting murdered, call 911 and stay tuned to the news outlet for more information. This message has been transmitted by the Austin Police Department at 7:33 p.m. 10 more murders have been reported, and 40 people have been missing, but we have 16 injured. The injured gave us an accurate report of the murderers. They were animation-style entities. Some had colorful hair, some had not. Some heard Japanese phrases from the entities. Theories indicate that it might be anime girls. Anime girls are from a style of animation called anime. If you hadn't heard, they once attacked our city nearly a year ago. Local military is being dispatched right now. We order you to prepare for evacuation. Bring food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio to let your government know you have evacuated. Put a towel on your mailbox. If you planning to stay, barricade all entrances to your house by furniture, and lock yourself in an enclosed room. Stay tuned to news outlet as much as possible. This message has been transmitted by the Austin Police Department at 7:49 p.m. The anime girls are attacking us. The military is engaging these anime girls. It is ordered that you evacuate, bring food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio if you are planning to stay. Lock and barricade all entrances to your house with furniture, and lock yourself in a closed room. Wait a moment, is that the clone troopers from Star Wars? Oh
Let's
my
kill
goodness.
these fatherless
Oh my
anime
fucking
girls.
God.
Yeah,
It's
this is the
Obi-Wan
Jedi
and
way.
Oh my goodness, Obi-Wan and Anakin signed my autograph.
Sure, we'll sign it after this battle.
Okay guys, just stay tuned to news. This message has been transmitted by the local authorities. As you may have witnessed, the anime girls were attacking us. The battle was devastating. Our soldiers were on the brink of defeat, till the Republic from Star Wars, Obi-Wan and Anakin came in. It was a huge help to the military. We found the leader of the anime girls, and Obi-Wan decapitated her, then danced on her dead body. Then we said our goodbyes to the Republic forces. We expect no more attacks from anime girls since their leader has been killed. Thank you for your participation and patience in this incident.